Hey guys, what's going on? Adrian here with McKay Chevrolet in Gladewater, Texas, and we are looking at a 2021 Chevy Silverado Texas Edition. Now the reason why I'm out here doing a video on this is because two things. People don't know the basics of your key. Obviously you got your lock, unlock, you drop your tailgate, the remote start, all that's fine and dandy, but with this new passive entrance, people get used to just using their key fobs. But what happens when your vehicle dies, right? Or what happens when your remote dies? Well, the vehicle actually has a key within the fob itself. All you have to do is basically push on this, pull this out, and two things you can use this for. Obviously, to open your vehicle. Boom, it's already unlocked. Now again, this comes in handy if your remote dies. And also too, let's say for instance, you need to get to your spare tire, right? Well, Chevrolet decided to add a lock right there. And they did that because a lot of people were stealing people's spare tires. So now you basically stick your key inside, pull, turn to the right, pull, and then boom, you have access to your spare tire back there. Your tools are actually on the back seat. Anyways, once you unlock the vehicle, your tools are right there. You got your tools to you utilize for turning the spare tire out, and also your jack right there. So again, just wanted to do a quick video on how to utilize your key fob. That's on most of your GM products, Buick, Chevrolet, Cadillac, and so if you have any questions about this vehicle or anything else, just let me know. Here to help. Have a good one.